Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Sudha Pandey. Folks, today we are going to discuss the numbers name. Numbers name today only we will do from number 1 to 20 because these numbers till 20 is very important. If you are through with these numbers, it's very easy for you all to learn the numbers name from 20 to 100. So first to 1 to 10, that way you may say it's easy. 20 then 11 to 20 it's little bit harder, you may say, but by practice you will command over 10 to 20 as well. So it's very easy, nothing to be worried. So first number is, that is 0. The pronunciation of 0 is zero. It's very easy to learn any language, only you need to observe the movement of the mentor's lips. So see, the 0 is English we say 0, but in French we say it zero. 1 is nasal sound, that is 2 is the, simple the. 3 is trois. It is little bit difficult to get the sound of 3. It's not trois, it's trois. I repeat this number's name again, that is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. Again, it's 5 is, we have the nasal sound here, like same nasal sound what we have is here, that is that is now here is cinq, nasal sound. 6 is six. 7 is sept. I repeat the number from 0 to 7 again. 0 is zero, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. You repeat after me again. Say 0, deux, trois, quatre, see my lips, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Bravo, très bien, excellent. Now we start from 8 to 15. First we do from 8 to 10. Once we are done with 8 to 10, then I'll let you know the trick to learn from 11 to 20. Then 8 is huit. H is always silent in French, so we won't say huit. It's huit. 9 is neuf. Then 10 is these. It's almost the same sound. 6 is six. 10 is these. Now come to 11. 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. 11 is 11. 12 is 12. 13 is 13. So all together you may learn this one, this. 11, 12, 13. 11 is 11, 12 is 12, 13 is 13. Then come to the 14. 14 is quatorze. See, from 11 to 20 numbers name are the hardest number you will encounter in French language. But by practicing, we will command on these numbers, because if you are through with these numbers, then that will be very beneficial once we go to the 70 and 90s. 17 and 90s, these number is going to help you a lot. So 11 is 11, 12 is 12, 13 is 13, 14 is 14, 15 is quinze. Again, nasal sound, little bit nasal sound is here. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is what? 17 is 10 plus 7. What is 10? That we know, that is 10 is, here is written, 10 is these, so it's these. And what is 7? 7 is here, so 10 plus 7 is 17. So it's very easy. So what we do, 10 is, as we know, 10 is these and 7 is sept. So 10 plus 7 is 17, so we will say these sept. Same here, that is 10 plus 8. 10 is, as we know, 10 is these and 8 is huit. So 10 plus 8 is these huit. 10 plus 9, that is 19. So 10 is these and 9 is neuf. So these neuf. So here these sept, these huit, these neuf, When? Let's do the revision from 10 to 20 again. 11 is 11, 12 is 12, 13 is 13, 14 is 14, 15 is 15, 16 is 16, 17 is 17, 18 is 18, 19 is 19, and 20 is 1. 20 is 1. That's it. So all of you repeat after me from 0 to 20. Take your time and please get the right pronunciation from the very beginning. 0, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. That's it. So I hope the pronunciation from 1 to 20 is clear. Practice, practice and practice. This is the only way to learn the numbers name in French. Numbers, les nombres. Only practice is required to learn the numbers name. Hardly it will take 5 minutes. You just give 3 days. Every day you have to devote only 5 minutes for these numbers 1 to 20. You will learn it. You will learn it by heart. So I give you some numbers. You may do like that. So what is this number? So randomly this number is here. So you have to recall what is this number. That means 8. The number is 8. That means 8. What is this number? This number is 10. 10 is what in French? 10 is these. What is this number? 17. What is 17 in French? As we know, 10 plus 7. 10 is these and 7 is 17. So randomly you pick up any number and just recall that what number is this in French. Or the best way you may learn like this also. You take any number, suppose you take 10. So what comes before 10 and what comes after 10? So by this way your brain will work a lot in a faster way. So as we know, 10 is these, and 9, what is 9? 9 is 9. And what comes after 10? That is 11. So this way also you may learn the numbers name. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Merci beaucoup, mademoiselle. Merci beaucoup, madame. Au revoir. Bisous, bisous. Salut.